Greetings. This is a short tutorial on how to access your digital student program. In this case, we're going to look at IMPACT, the California Social Studies curriculum, and the World History and Geography course. Step one is to go to the website. You could do this one of two ways, by clicking directly into the website or by going to Google and clicking the waffle and scrolling down to My Education there. I'll show you both techniques. So here I'm going to go to my.mheducation.com. Now this should automatically log you in with your SAUSD Learns account. If for whatever reason it doesn't, all you have to do is log in with your SAUSD Learns account, your Google account, with your password, and it'll take you here. Once you're here, you're going to go ahead and see your dashboard. So once you log in, either directly through the website or through the Google waffle, scroll down, click on the waffle, scroll down till you see the app you're looking for. And you need to make sure you're signed into the correct account. Whichever way you get here, as long as you get to your account, you're going to see this dashboard pop up. Now you're going to click on the class you're assigned, and then in this class you're going to see some options: dashboard, course, calendar, assignments, tests, and quizzes. And that's it.